welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. It's your boy Ty. As you can see from the title, thumbnail, and the description below in this video, you already know what's going on. I'm finna be trolling on Monkey. Now, look, y'all, my brother done did some research, and I look into it, and I did a little test run too to see if I can get a good feel of the app. I ain't gonna lie, when I did the test run, y'all, it was funny, bro. It was real funny, but I'm gonna tell y'all that at the end of the video, though. But yeah, currently my other phone right now is charging right now. So when that gets done charging, I'm gonna go ahead and set up and get ready to film for y'all and stuff. And yeah. But anywho, before we get into today's video, you already know what to do. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell on the side so you don't miss my videos. And y'all, look, join the Rock Out community today, because what y'all doing, because we vibe out with each other and we rock out with each other. Join the Rock Out community today. Like, what is y'all doing? But like that being said, let's get into today's video. Yo.
What's happening? How old you is?
I'm 16.
How old I look?
I want to say like 19.
I'm 17 though. Appreciate it, bro. Hold on.
Hey, I had a question.
Sure.
What? To be honest.
What's the question? I didn't hear you. What was the question?
You like big meat in your butt?
Somebody take that nigga phone, man. He acting a plumb damn fool. Get your ass off your phone, nigga.
Yo. Can I ask you a quick question real quick?
What's up?
What's your red flags in a relationship?
Kind of a personal question.
Oh, well, I mean,
Why do you want to know that?
I can't ask, like.
I mean, we could start like, hi, hello, you know?
Oh, well, what's up with it, hello?
What are your red flags in a relationship?
Probably when they don't communicate as much and they hiding stuff.
You got an answer ready. You came prepared. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't be dating. Red flag is, this one's from, alright, I'll give you one. This one's I learned from experience.
Mm-hmm.
If they keep themselves too busy, that's a red flag. And they don't making time for someone else is another thing, but if they don't look after themselves, like workaholics, red flag.
Sorry. Understandable. Yo.
Yeah, what's good? You want to see my drum cover from a while ago?
Sure.
Yeah, I gotta send it. Oh, this is my drum kit.
Tight. I mess with it. Tight.
Yeah, but let me know what you think.
Hey, bro, can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
So, what are your red flags in a relationship?
I haven't done that for a while, but it's funny you asked. I was thinking of different things. Probably, whenever you tell them, like, I'm being honest and truthful, and they keep questioning you, kind of like they've been like hurt too much that they're gonna use it. Like, I guess they're gonna, if they keep doing that, like keep questioning you and everything, gonna show like something's wrong there. You know? So that's what I think is a red flag.
Okay, I think that's understandable. That's understandable.
Also, like, I don't know. Red flag. Red flag. I mean, that's the main one I remember running into last, which was like 3 years ago or so.
Okay.
But yeah. I'll let you go. Watch that video. And, yeah, I hope relationships go well.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Yo.
What you doing? What you doing?
I'm just bored. I'm just.
That you had you just unlucky, huh? Just unlucky.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you have any friends?
Yeah, but they all sleep right now, so.
Okay. That you don't run forward.
Yo.
Oh God, bro. Yo.
Can I ask you a question real quick, man? What's your own biggest turn off in a relationship?
I ain't gonna lie. I had this shit happen to me many, many times, bro. When the girl, she like barely showing you attention and shit, like she not showing you her phone and shit. Like she don't gotta show you her phone. You feel me? Like, on some real shit. But like, you in a relationship and that shit happening right now?
No, I was just asking.
Oh, like if you think you cheating, bro, that's your sign to stop fucking with. Like, if you really think it's an instinct, like if you think that shit, you already know something happening. You feel me? So like,
Sorry.
That's a best advice I should give you. You feel me?
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Yo.
I just think I don't know your book, bro. It's fat.
Yo, gang, can I ask you a question real quick?
You said what?
Can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah, what's up?
All right. What's one thing you never told your parents before?
Oh shit. Let me think about it. I would lie.
Oh.
Probably when I showed my brother, bro.
You said when you had lied, or you had lied on your brother or something?
I'm like, sorry.
Yo. How y'all doing right now?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Can I ask y'all a quick question real quick?
Yeah,
So, what is one thing you never told your parents before? Well, y'all. Yo. What's good, gang?
Nothing.
Sorry. Can I ask you a question real quick? So.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, would you rather send a risky text to your best friend or your mom?
What do you mean a risky text?
Like basically anything that you like, just a risky text in general, basically.
Like something that you wouldn't say?
Yeah, like say or like send, basically.
I want both. Or do I have to pick one?
Nah, yeah, you gotta pick one.
Yeah, my best friend. If I had to pick.
Sorry. What's up, gang?
What's up?
Can I ask you a quick question real quick?
Sure.
So, would you rather send a risky text to your mom or your best friend?
Wait. Say that again.
I said, would you rather send a risky text to your mom or your best friend?
My best friend.
Okay. Yo. You gonna speak to me?
Y'all calling.
What's up, Tony?
So, bro.
Can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
So, what was the reason to why your last relationship ended?
Last relationship ended?
Yeah.
Like, I've never been locked in.
Sorry. That's all?
Yeah, like, I don't want to commit myself because, like, I know high school relationships won't end. So, like, why am I, like, will end, you know what I mean? So, like, why am I wasting my time?
Type stuff.
Yeah, that's what.
Yo. So, can I ask you a question real quick? What was the most toxic thing you ever did in a relationship?
The person I was fucking with, they was fucking. I fuck with my partner, so I put his own proof.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
What's good, y'all? Alright, y'all, that concludes today's video. As y'all can see, y'all, oh my god, I know y'all seen some crazy responses, bro. Like, and bro, oh my god, even some of them, cause I ain't add some of them in here, and oh, y'all ain't knows I had to put on a different hat, but yeah, bro, they was just crazy. Like, folks be on here, oh my god, I can't even like repeat what they did. Like, it's just crazy, bro. But yeah, sorry it wasn't as long as y'all wanted it to be, but if y'all want me to do a part 2, because I did notice one thing about Monkey, they have this mode where you can like have your friends in it too. So I was gonna ask like one of my friends if they want to do it with me and stuff. That vlog might be longer, because my friends, they definitely love to troll, but they troll more than I do. So yeah, but y'all, not gonna lie, it's about to be like, it's a half an hour until 3 a.m. in the morning, and I just got done filming, because like this took me a long time to film. So yeah, but anywho, like I said in the beginning of the vlog, if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell on the side so you don't miss my videos, because y'all join the Rock Out community today, because you vibe out with me. No, we vibe out with each other and we rock out with each other. Basically, join the Rock Out community today. And y'all, look, we is on the road to 500 subscribers. Matter of fact, I'm close to hitting 200 subs. Actually, I'm like 15 subs away. Like I said, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and join the Rock Out community today. Like that being said, till next time, Rock Out Gang.
When I woke up, it's